Hi everyone, this is G-Top, your ultimate destination for everything Windows related. Today we'll talk about what to do when Startup Repair couldn't repair your PC. When your PC can't boot up and encounters issues during the startup process, Startup Repair can help resolve the problems and turn your PC back on safely. But what do you do if Startup Repair couldn't repair your PC? It's a big dilemma, but you don't have to worry. We'll here help you narrow down the reasons why Startup Repair could not repair your PC and give you working solutions. Why can't Startup Repair repair my PC? Here are a few reasons why you might find that Startup Repair cannot repair your PC. An error occurs from the connected external devices. System files that control the PC boot process get corrupted or lost. Master boot record or boot configuration data is damaged or corrupted. Pre-launched anti-malware software renders Startup Repair not working on PC. The third-party applications newly installed and drivers newly added go wrong. PC won't start up and Startup Repair cannot fix it because of broken hardware components. How to fix Windows Startup Repair not working? We look at some surefire ways to help fix unresponsive Startup Repair issue. The fixes in the following apply to almost all the Windows versions like Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, and so on. And we cover the steps for a few Windows computer brands to show you how to fix a PC when the Startup Repair doesn't repair it. This includes Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, Acer, Huawei, Microsoft Surface, Toshiba, Samsung, Sony, MSI, and so on. If your computer brand isn't included, let us know in the comment below, and we'll provide the specific solutions for you. Now, let's start. 1. Unplug conflicting peripherals. This fix is easy to start with when Startup Repair is not working on a PC. Occasionally, external devices like printers, external storage devices, webcam, or game controllers can interfere with the boot up procedure. So, turn off your PC. Then, try removing these devices properly. Then, press the power button to boot your PC. Or you can use the Startup Repair function again to see if it works to restart your PC. 2. Run CHKDSK from an external drive. A series of system files like boot configuration data store matters when starting up a PC. They ensure the operating system and the bootloader can be triggered and run normally. In case they get corrupted or lost, your PC won't start up and Startup Repair cannot fix it. To check if they're at fault, Windows has an embedded utility called CHKDSK that can be used to scan your hard drive for file system errors. As your PC won't start and Windows Startup Repair fails, we'll show you the steps to use an external drive to solve the problem. Make sure your PC is shut down. Connect a USB, CD, DVD, or other bootable Windows installation media to your PC. Press the power button to restart your PC. Before the Windows logo appears, press the F8 key multiple times. When asked, click Repair your computer. Then, click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Choose Command Prompt. In the opening command prompt window, type CHKDSK C/F/R and press Enter key. Then, it'll trigger a scanning process on the drive and repair the errors that crop up when your PC boots. 3. Try booting your PC into safe mode. Booting your PC into safe mode keeps the computer only starting up with a set of drivers, applications, and services that are required. This way, it helps diagnose if there are software conflicts, driver problems, or malware leading to that Windows Startup Repair is not working. Now, follow these steps. Turn off your PC by pressing and holding the power button for 10 seconds. Then, press the power button again to turn it on. Before the Windows logo appears, press the F8 key multiple times until you see the Advanced Boot Options menu. Select Troubleshoot. Choose Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Look for the Safe Mode with Networking or Safe Mode option there. Select it with arrow keys on your keyboard and press Enter key. If your PC successfully goes into safe mode and boot up, that means third-party applications or newly added drivers should be the reason why your PC won't boot and won't do Startup Repair. Now, delete the problematic applications or remove the driver. Once done, to exit safe mode, use the mouse to click Windows from the bottom left corner, choose Power, and then click Restart. Hope now your PC turns on and you can use it normally. You can also get back and test if the Startup Repair feature works now on your Windows PC. 4. Make sure the MBR and BCD are available to boot a PC. To ensure a smooth and reliable PC boot process, Master Boot Record, aka MBR, and Boot Configuration Data, aka BCD, play critical roles. When Startup Repair fails to work on PC or something goes wrong during the boot process, chances are they are lost or damaged. If you suspect this, boot PC into WinRE and use the command prompt to rebuild or fix these items. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds to turn off your PC. Then, press the power button again to turn on your device. When your PC starts up, before the Windows logo shows up, press the F8 key repeatedly. An automatic repair screen will show up. Release the key and choose Advanced Options. Then, the computer enters the Windows recovery environment. Now, select Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type bootrec/fixmber and press Enter key. Type bootrec/fixboot and press Enter key. Type bootrec/rebuild and press Enter key. Once done, your PC should boot up. Same. You can test if the Startup Repair option resume is working. 5. Use the System File Checker. This method also requires opening the command prompt window. When it comes to how to fix Windows Startup Repair not working, one official way introduced by Microsoft is to use the System File Checker to scan Windows and restore the corrupted files. Now, follow these instructions step by step. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds to turn off your PC. Then, press the power button again to turn on your device. When you see your PC start up and show the Windows logo or manufacturer's logo, hold down the power button again to turn it off. Then, press the power button again to turn on your device. When you see your PC start up and show the Windows logo or manufacturer's logo, hold down the power button again to turn it off. Then, press the power button again to turn on your device. Now, let your PC start up without pressing any button. An automatic repair screen will show up. Choose Advanced Options. Now, select Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type BCD and press Enter to locate the partition where Windows is installed. Then, type sfc/scannow/offwindow equals C, //offwindow equals C, /Windows and Enter to repair the corrupted files. Once done, press the power button to restart your PC. 6. Disable Early Launch Anti-Malware Protection. Is your Windows computer configured to launch the anti-malware protection before? If it is, then this setting may result in a conflict, causing that Startup Repair cannot repair your PC. To disable this option, follow these instructions. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds to turn off your PC. Then, press the power button again to turn on your device. When your PC starts up, before the Windows logo shows up, press the F8 key repeatedly until you see the Advanced Boot Options menu. From the automatic repair screen, choose Advanced Options. Now, select Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, and click Startup Settings. Find Disable Early Launch Anti-Malware Protection option and use 8 or F8 key to select it. Once done, press the power button to restart your PC. 7. Restore the PC to the state it's working well. Microsoft Windows has a feature named System Restore. It enables users to revert their computer state to that of a previous point in time. If there is an available restore point, you can restore your PC from it when Startup Repair could not repair your PC. Now, follow these instructions step by step. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds to turn off your PC. Then, press the power button again to turn on your device. When you see your PC start up and show the Windows logo or manufacturer's logo, hold down the power button again to turn it off. Then, press the power button again to turn on your device. When you see your PC start up and show the Windows logo or manufacturer's logo, hold down the power button again to turn it off. Then, press the power button again to turn on your device. Now, let your PC start up without pressing any button. An automatic repair screen will show up. Choose Advanced Options. Then, the computer enters the Windows recovery environment. Now, select Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click System Restore, choose a restore point from a time when your PC can turn on properly and confirm by clicking the Restore option. This might take some time, so please wait patiently. After that, your PC will restart and boot up to the lock screen. Test if the Startup Repair works to repair your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about that PC won't turn on or if you find one or more methods that work for you. Hope this video helps troubleshoot your problems and you can like it. We'll highly appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our GTOP channel and share it to your friends or on social media to help those in need. See you in the next video. Bye.